Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to show you how to download Exodus Wallet application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to download Exodus Wallet application on your Android, the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are, tap Open Play Store. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Exodus and search. This one's the app we are looking for. Simply tap the install button in green to begin the downloading process for Exodus Wallet on your Android device. Exodus Wallet is a non-custodial wallet which offers great support and extensive more control over crypto assets. It does not directly manage or take custody of your wallet, but it allows you to full control over it. That is how you can easily download Exodus application for your Android device quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.